A computer system consists of both hardware and information stored on hardware. Information stored on computer hardware is often called software. The hardware components of a computer system are the electronic and mechanical parts. The software components of a computer system are the data and the computer programs. The major hardware components of a computer system are processor, main memory, secondary memory, input devices, output devices. For typical desktop computers, the processor, main memory, secondary memory, power supply, and supporting hardware are housed in a metal case. Many of the components are connected to the main circuit board of the computer, called the motherboard. The power supply supplies power for most of the components. Various input devices, such as the keyboard, and output devices, such as the monitor, are attached through connectors at the rear of the case. There are some parts of computer components you will not see because they are inside. I am going to explain some of them now. Let me start with CPU. The CPU, also known as Central Processing Unit, is the brains behind your computer. The CPU is responsible for performing calculations and tasks that make programs work. The faster the CPU, the quicker programs can process computations and commands. 2. RAM. A fast CPU is useless without an adequate amount of RAM, that is, the random access memory. RAM is usually referred to as a computer's memory, meaning it stores information that is used by running programs or applications. More memory lets you run more applications at the same time without degrading your system's performance. 3. Hard disk drive. The hard disk drive of the computer is where permanent information is stored. Documents, databases, spreadsheets, and programs are all stored on the hard disk. The larger the hard disk, the more you can fit on the drive. The size of the hard disk drive does not affect the speed at which a program can run, but the hard disk drive speed can affect how fast you can access your files. 4. Video card. The video card is a board that plugs into the PC motherboard to give it display capabilities. New video cards come with their own RAM and processor to help speed up the graphics display. Many computers come with video chips built in. That makes a separate video card unnecessary, unless the computer is going to be used for high-end multimedia work or to play video games. 5. Sound card. Like video cards, sound cards are expansion boards used for enabling a computer to manipulate sound. Most sound cards give you the power to plug in speakers and a microphone. Some even give you the jacks for hooking your computer up to a common stereo. As with video cards, many computers come with sound chips, making it unnecessary to buy a separate card, unless you need higher sound quality for your work. 6. Modem. The modem allows your computer to use a telephone line to communicate and connect to the internet. 7. Network card. A network card allows your computer to be connected either to other computers or to the internet if you are using a fast internet connection such as cable. 8. Fans. One or more fans inside the computer keep air moving and keep your computer cool. 9. Cables. Numerous wires and flat, ribbon-like cables provide power and communication to the various parts inside your computer.